So for that what we do is, as it is given 2.3 whole power x is equal to 1000. Let us suppose 2.3 whole power x is equal to 1000. Okay, that's what we are taking. Now taking logarithm on both the sides, log of 2.3 whole power x minus, that is sorry, is equal to log of 1000. You will get. Now log of 2.3 whole power x means, applying the power rule, we get x into log 2.3 is equal to log of 1000 can be written as 10 cube. Now x log 2.3 is equal to, this can be again power rule, 3 into log 10. What is log 10? Nothing is given as a base, so it is assumed as 10. Therefore log 10 to base 10 is 1. So 3 into 1, that is nothing but 3. So log 1000 is 3 here. Okay. So what we got, x into log 2.3 is equal to 3 we got. So bringing this 3 this side, or you bring this x to this side, what you get here, log 2.3 is equal to 3 upon x. So 3 by x equal to log 2.3. Implies 1 by x is equal to 1 by 3 times of log 2.3. Okay. Similarly, what we do, we'll take another one, 0.23 whole power y is equal to 1000. And then we apply 0.23 whole power y is equal to 1000 and we apply logarithm on both the sides. So log of 0.23 whole power y is equal to log 1000. So this is again power rule, y comes here, log of 0.23 and is equal to log 1000. I have already found out the previous case, that is 3. Now here also bringing y here and 3 here, what you get is 1 by y is equal to 1 by 3 log of 0.23. Okay. So what we got now, we got the value of 1 by x. We got the value of 1 by x. 1 by x ka or 1 by y ka value also we have got. Now we have to find out the value of 1 upon x minus 1 upon y, that is equal to 1, substituting the values, 1 by 3 log 2.3 minus 1 upon y का क्या है 1 by 3 log 0.23. इन दोनों टर्म्स में 1 by 3 कॉमन है, उनको बाहर निकालते हैं. So what you get here, log of 2.3 minus log of 0.23. So log a minus log b is nothing but log of a by b. So we write this is a by b form. That is 1 by 3 times of log 2.3 by 0.23. It's nothing but equal to 1 by 3 log of, so removing the decimal place, 23 by 23 into 2 decimal places into 100 and 1 decimal place 10. So 2 decimal places, we are multiplying with 100 here. Again 1 decimal place था, उसको निकाल के यहाँ पर 10 से 0 0 cut, 23 23 cut, left with 10. So what we left with 1 upon 3 log 10. बेस तो कुछ नहीं है, हमने सोचते हैं यहाँ पर बेस 10 है, is equal to 1 by 3 log 10 to base 10 is 1. So 1 by 3 into 1 is 1 by 3. So what we got, 1 upon x minus 1 upon y is equal to 1 by 3. Okay. So this is the thing. Now giving you time to copy. Okay. So what you copy now? If you are completed, raise your hand. If 2 power x plus 1 is equal to 3 power 1 minus x, then find the value of x. This is the question. So, given 2 power x plus 1 is equal to 3 power 1 minus x. We have to find out the value of x. So that what we do is taking logarithm. As it is, any base you can take, natural logarithms also you can take, or you can take base 10. Okay, so logarithm on both the sides. So base 10, that is common logarithm. What you get is log of 2 power x plus 1 is equal to log of 3 power 1 minus x. So applying the power rule, this implies x plus 1 into log 2 is equal to 1 minus x into log 3. So this in turn implies we multiply this with log 2, x times of log 2, x log 2 plus 1 time of log 2, that is log 2 is equal to, once again, 1 into log 3 is log 3 minus again x times of log 3. Okay. Somebody has gone out. One participant gone. Okay. This in turn implies, so we'll, in order to find x, bring all the x terms to one side. So here is x log 2. After is equal to right hand side of this equation we have minus x log 3. We transpose this minus x log 3 from right hand side to left hand side. It will become plus x log 3. So you get x log 2 plus x log 3. Okay, is equal to log 3. So this one we bring, that is we transfer to right hand side, becomes minus log 2. Okay. So this in turn implies, take out the common as x log 2 plus log 3 is equal to log of 3 minus log 2. So therefore what we get is x equals to log 3 minus log 2 by log 2 plus log 3. This is the thing. Okay. You can leave here, or else you can say log of 3 by 2 by log of AB. Log A plus log B, A into B, 2 into 3, that is 6. Or 3 by 2 is log 1.5 by log 6. This is the x number. Or else, if you remember, that is log values. Log 3 will be equal to 0.4771 and log 2 will be equal to 0.3010 something. So this we take approximately equal to 0, this round up करके more than 5 है ना, इसको यहाँ +1 ऐड करें तो it's becoming 0.5. This is again approximately becoming 0.3 only. 0 after that we have 0, 1, 0 ignoring the things. So when we substitute in this, that is in this, what do you get? Log 3, log 3 is 0.5 minus log 2 0.3 by 0.3 plus 0. Again log 3 is 0.5. So what is this equals to? 0.2 by 0.8. So one single decimal place, 2 by 10 and 10 by 8, or single decimal place can be cancelled here. It's nothing but equal to 2 by 8, equal to 1 by 4. It's approximately equal to 4. Put point, get 10, 4 2 is 8, 0.25 approximately. Is the thing. So copy down this. No. Shruti?